So today I'm talking about a P1133 code, what it is and how you could go about fixing it. And so what is a P1133 code? Well, it's an HO2S Insufficient Switching Bank-1 Sensor-1. And so what does this mean? Well, basically there's what's called oxygen sensors, and they're located down on the exhaust, and they do two things. The first thing they do is they monitor the catalytic converter, and the second thing they do is they monitor how much oxygen was burnt off during combustion. And the computer uses that information to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture that's going into the cylinders. But when you get this P1133 code, the computer's seeing a problem with one of these sensors, mainly the Bank-1 Sensor-1 O2 sensor. And if you have a V6 or V8 engine, the engine's going to have two banks. Bank-1 is always the side of the engine with the number one cylinder. So if you Google your cylinder location or firing order, something along those lines, and you find the number one cylinder on your engine, since there is differences, then that side of the engine is going to be Bank-1, and the opposite of that would be Bank-2. If you have a four-cylinder engine, then you'll only have one bank. And the basics of what's going on with these O2 sensors is that each bank of the engine is going to have two oxygen sensors. Sometimes there could be three, but usually there's two. Sensor 1 is going to be located before the catalytic converter, and it's also called the upstream O2 sensor. And sensor 2 is going to be located after the catalytic converter, sometimes right on it, and it's also called the downstream O2 sensor. When you get this P1133 code, the computer's seeing a problem with this Bank-1 Sensor-1 O2 sensor. And this code says insufficient switching, which basically those O2 sensors, when they're reading how much oxygen was burnt off during combustion, it's going to go from rich to lean like this within a range. And this should be happening fairly quickly. When the voltage gets on the higher end of the range, the computer is going to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture, and it's going to drop down to the lean side of the range that it operates in. And then again, the computer is going to adjust the air-fuel ratio mixture, and it's going to switch very quickly from rich to lean. But when this rich to lean is not happening as quickly as it should be, the computer is going to set this P1133 code, because basically it's not going from rich to lean as quickly as it should be. And so what would be some possible causes of a P1133 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is a bad O2 sensor. That Bank-1 Sensor-1 O2 sensor, it might have just gone bad. It just needed to be replaced. There's some different ways to go about testing these O2 sensors. If you have a multimeter, you can use that. If you have a scan tool of live data or data stream, you can also use that. There's some good YouTube videos on how you go about testing these. I've made YouTube videos on that. I'll put a link down in the description box below if you want to check that out. But the first thing that could cause this is a bad Bank-1 Sensor-1 O2 sensor. And the next thing that could cause is that there's some kind of issue going on inside the wiring. There's like an open, there's a short, there's a blown fuse, something like this. And the basics of what's going on with the wiring going to these sensors is that there's two parts to these sensors. They're going to have a heater element built into them. These sensors, they have a heater part, and they have the sensor that's reading how much oxygen there is. And basically the part inside there that's reading how much oxygen there is, it can't get a good reading until it gets hot. And so that it warms up quickly, and the computer doesn't have to wait for the engine to warm up and the exhaust to warm up and things like this. And they built in these heater elements that help it to warm up very fast. This heater element's going to be on a fuse and a relay. So it's a good idea to go and check that and be sure that hasn't blown. You can also check the wiring going down to the sensor. Be sure it's getting the right voltage. Usually the heater element wires have 12 volts going to it, but be sure to get a schematic for your particular vehicle. That way you know for sure. But it is very common for these to have 12 volts going to them. And then you're going to have two wires going back to the computer for the oxygen sensor side. And so you can't use a multimeter and go and check those and be sure there's no open or short or anything like this, because the next thing that could cause this is some kind of wiring problem. And the next thing that could cause this is an exhaust leak. And basically that sensor is reading how much oxygen there is inside the exhaust. And so if air is getting in from the outside into the exhaust, then that can throw those sensors off. It can cause them to get bad readings and things like this. So the next thing that could cause this is an exhaust leak. And the last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of engine problem, that the engine's running rich or lean on Bank-1 side of the engine. Rich or lean codes can be kind of difficult to troubleshoot sometimes because they can be caused by so many different things. Usually if that does happen, you will be getting other codes. So for example, if you also got like a P0201 injector circuit open cylinder 1, then in that case, it's a good idea to go check out that fuel injector on cylinder number 1 and be sure it's working correctly. Because for example, it might be stuck open, it might be dumping too much fuel into the exhaust and causing Bank-1 to run rich. So if you are getting any other codes, be sure to pay attention to that, because the last thing on the list is going to be some kind of engine problem. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P1133 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.